Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to register for Interac e-transfer Autodeposit on Scotiabank. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Now on this page, you will see another tabs. Click on the tab that says Interac e-transfer. Here, you will see an option for Manage Autodeposit. Click on Manage Autodeposit. Next, you will see button for Register for Autodeposit. Click on Register for Autodeposit. To register, enter the email address you wish to use. Also, select an account from which the deposit will be transferred to. Once entered, click on the tick box to understand that Interac e-transfer sent to the email address entered will be deposited to the account you selected. Lastly, click on the Confirm button. That's how you register for Interac e-transfer Autodeposit on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.